everyone, Hash here from Hashtag and welcome back to my new video. Earlier Xiaomi CEO revealed that the Mi 10 series will be launched in the first quarter of 2020. A new leak from China suggests that the Mi 10 and the Mi 10 Pro will launch on February 13th. The leak also tips the Mi 10 will go sell on February 14th and the Mi 10 Pro on February 18th. Xiaomi is expected to conduct an online-only launch event of Mi 10 series, given the recent outbreak of coronavirus in the country that is affecting the businesses globally. The official launch event announcement will be done on February 7th. Earlier, Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro confirmed to add 66-watt fast charging support. This was confirmed in a new MIUI 11 code. Also, it includes a 5215 mAh battery capacity. Moreover, tipped to come with a quad rear camera with 108 MP primary sensor, a 12 megapixel wide angle, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and a macro or ToF sensor for better portrait. Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro comes with a powerful Snapdragon 865 with a 5G support, which will be paired with a Adreno 650 GPU. The phone will have a 16 GB RAM and 512 GB of storage, also became the fastest smartphone with 16 GB RAM option. Another interesting is the Mi 10 series will be priced at $600, which will also support dual mode 5G. The smartphone comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with a dual punch-hole camera setting up on the top right side, much like the Redmi K30 smartphone that launched in December 2019. Also, the Xiaomi Mi 10 is set to feature a 100-display fingerprint scanner, but it's come with an optical sensor and also includes a 120Hz display. That's all for today, guys. So let me know your thoughts about the Xiaomi Mi 10 in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Xiaomi device, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. I'm Ashkur from Hashtag.